This is a quick video demonstration of how to put a hard drive on our mini DVRs. The things that you will need is going to be these 4 screws that are going to be included on the accessory box of the DVR. The hard drive, this unit supports SATA hard drives, and you will notice that the SATA drives has 2 connectors. This is for the power and this is for the data. And the cable is going to be included as well on the accessory box. It's going to be a flat cable. It's going to look like this. Okay? So first we need to open the DVR. There's 4 screws on the back of a DVR that you need to take off. This example is for an 8-channel. All of our DVRs, the Mini Series DVRs, they have the same kind of case, so they has the same kind of screws on the back. The only ones that they're not going to have 4 screws on the back only is going to be the Mini Economies. They have 2 screws on the side. This series only has 4 on the back. So then you take the top off. You will notice here you will have 4 holes. In this particular case, you will use only one of the holes for you to connect it to your motherboard. Inside the motherboard you will see as well the power connector for your hard drive. So the first thing you got to do is you just have to put the screws. The hard drives have holes on the bottom. So you just put the screw there and you screw them just a little bit, and then you're going to slide the hard drive onto the hard drive mount of the DVR. There are 4 distinctive screws that they are included on the accessory box, and those are the ones that you have to use. They look like this. Okay? Once you have the screws in, like this, you just have to make sure that this end, where the connectors goes, it's facing this way. Right now, the DVR, you're going to have the connectors pointed at you, and then the front plate will be like this. So you just make sure that this is facing that way. You just slide it in. Then you can, before actually you slide it in, you can connect the power or the data cable in it, and you will hear a click. In order for you to take it out, you have to just press this little latch there, and then you take it off. Okay? Make sure that it's connected properly. You slide it in. Then you can connect your power right here. You can actually do this while you have the hard drive, before you slide the hard drive in, or you mount the hard drive in, then plug it in. There's only one way to put it in. Okay? As you put it in, slide, and then you tie the screws right here. You will see the screws are going to show up here. And I'm going to skip this too, but it's just for a demonstration. Then the next step is to plug the other end of a cable right here, where this connector SATA cable is. There's only one way. You will notice that this cable has like a little indicator right there that it has to match this end. So for this demonstration, this type of DVR, the latch has to be facing out or facing the connectors on the back. Just put it in, and that's it. Just make sure the cables are tight. You slide the top off again, and you put the screws, and you're good to go. As soon as you turn on the DVR will format the hard drive and then it will start recording. I hope this is being informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.